How to fix the Audiomack app not working. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're gonna see how you can fix this issue. So if your Audiomack app is not working, here in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the first thing you can do is open up the app, and here you can try to log in or create your account. And then you can just go ahead and see if you're able to log in. If you're not, then go to your Play Store first and then simply search for Audiomack. Hit enter and you can find the app right here. Now, all you have to do is simply go ahead and update the app to its latest version if there are any updates available. Then you can just long press on the app and tap on the I button to go to app info. And once you land on this page, go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed here. Then go back and go to storage. Clear cache first and then try to clear data. You have to note that it will log you out of your account, so you're going to have to log back in after you've cleared the entire database. Then finally, you can go to battery and make sure that you set this to restricted, unrestricted, or optimize. You can choose from these two options. And finally, you can just give the phone a quick restart and see if that fixes the problem. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.